Are you looking for the best printer stand? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best printer stand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Safco Products MUV Adjustable Printer Stand Item Dimensions/Measurements 291/2WX20DX35H. It has coordinated cable management. The ornamental formed PVC sideboards help cover lines and cables for a cleaned up appearance. 2 adjustable shelves. 2 3/4 thick melamine cover racks conform to accommodate your capacity needs. The top rack is fixed. Solid steel assembly. Produced with business-grade steel for outstanding strength and soundness, the smooth-moving 3-level cart can go on for quite a long time of hefty use. The strong structure includes a dark powder coat finish to help oppose chipping and scratching for an enduring proficient appearance. Exemplary appearance. Safco MUV Adjustable Printer Stand joins cover and steel to make a durable, persevering office cart. 2 center racks acclimate to allow printer statures, and the sideboards conceal PC cables for a perfect, clean presentation. Number 2. Tangkula 2-tier printer stand. The printer stand brings better steadiness and weight limit due to the tough metal casing and thicker designed wood. The 2-level storage rack can uphold 110 pounds on the top and 33 pounds on the metal rack, storing some day-by-day necessities. Alter the 2-level rack by changing the metal pole to the ideal stature. Afterward, lock the curved plastic clasp to make sure it is immovable, so other items of various statures can share an extra room. With 4 smooth wheels, you can easily move the printer to better places, which is advantageous for you to share with your associates. This printer stand can store lots of paper and reports, thereby keeping the work area clean and establishing a more open workspace. Likewise, the conservative size permits the printer to stay under the table to save space. Number 3. Multifunctional HUANUO printer stand. One can utilize this 3-level printer riser as a printer stand, shelf, fax machine riser, or capacity rack. It can meet the storage of numerous things, the best answer for home and office storage plans. Has 4 turn wheels that permit smooth movement of the printer between workplaces, gathering rooms, and meeting regions. 2 wheels locked to shield it from moving while being used. Made with a steel wire outline and solid cover top, this printer cart gives extraordinary strength and support. Assemble the top to the legs and fix the wheels to the legs. You can easily set up your new printer to your work area in less than 5 minutes. Twist the wire frame to adjust the stand to your desirable or considerable height you need. Lock the plastic clips to keep it safe from moving about. The printer stand allows you to store your additional toner, paper, and different supplies without any problem. Keep your work area slick and clean to establish a more open and serene environment. Number 4. 3-tier Mind Reader Charm. There is constant use of best quality materials to make mind reader items, guaranteeing dependability and stability. Sleek and smooth surfaces across the moving stand levels imply you can undoubtedly clean the whole stand easily. This moving stand can store an endless blend of family unit things in a conservative, flexible, and space-saving way. Never stress over picking the correct tone, size, or shape moving stand. The portable arrangement will easily blend into any space and consummately merges its purpose. It has top-notch materials and metals that give a wooden look of complexity. This bar stand with wheels will add an unheard-of level of refinement to your next get-together event. The stand is easy, simple and stress-free to set up. It has 4 omnidirectional smooth sliding wheels allowing for smooth movement between different rooms. Number 5. PAG Monitor Printer Stand Computer Riser. The current plan supplements all work areas and adds a rich look to any working environment. It has a simple design with a smooth surface and adjusted corners to shield individuals from scratches when in use. 2-tier plan, other than a vast area on top for screen or PC. It has 3 compartments for books, magazines, journals, papers, stapler, cuts, and other regular office supplies. It is easy to rearrange and sort out your work area and have more working space. You can adjust your monitor to an elevated eye level for ergonomic and comfortable viewing. The stand liberates you from pressure, cerebral pains, or eye and neck strain from peering down on your PC screen. It is appropriate to set others like TV, DVD, PC, printer, fax machines, etc. The wood printer stand is made of eco-accommodating and solid melamine board, safe from wear, strong and formaldehyde-free. It is 100% recyclable, making it eco-friendly.